Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building mobile first. Set the viewport and pick a responsive grid so layouts adapt. Once done, make sure touch targets are at least 44 pixels and font sizes readable without zoom. You should compress images and enable lazy load to reduce initial payload. While you implement, prioritize the core content and key actions so users reach value quickly. This reduces friction and improves perceived speed as the page renders. You now assemble layouts and components. Use Flexbox or Grid to shift from single column to multi-column at defined breakpoints. Once components are built, make them reusable and test each at small widths like 320 to 480 pixels so spacing and hit areas stay consistent. Make sure to inline critical CSS, defer non-essential scripts, and measure interaction latency, aiming under 400 milliseconds. This keeps UI responsive and prevents jank when users tap or scroll. You finish by testing across devices and networks. Run audits under simulated 3G and CPU throttling so you know real-world behavior. Once tests pass, verify accessibility, logical reading order, contrast, and focus states, because that improves usability broadly. Deploy with monitoring and a rollback plan so issues can be fixed quickly. If something breaks, check console errors, disable the last change, and rerun the audit. That single-step rollback often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.